Hey, hello, this is Don in Walla Walla. A real blustery day here at Intricut Machining. And we're going to look and see what we have here. The number is 509-540-8629. Let's go on in. A lot of things have sold now. The grinder has sold, and we're gonna, stuff's on the way out on that table. So we'll come in and see what he's got. He's got the new grinding wheels. There's 9 of them here. Wants $5 a piece. They're all Norton, I believe, of different grades and types here. And here's some seated gel wheels. I think he wants $10 each for these. I use these quite a bit. They grind real cool. He's got the grinding wheels for Gordon or Deckel 7/16 arbor hole D-bit type grinders, I believe. And it's got some a miscellaneous collection of wheels here. And I can't remember what he's thinking, 20 bucks or something. And he's got pins and all kinds of used ejector pins, and he'll throw a handful in a box if you ask him to. And he's got some clamps left here. I can't remember what he wanted for those. Those are pretty heavy. For use on your milling machine and stuff. Looks like they'll take a 3/4 inch bolt through it. It's a linear slide, the space shuttle drill guy. And he pulled out a really nice Federal Miracle Movement 1-inch travel AGD type dial indicator, and that's a good one too. Those seem to run forever. 2 pin grinding vices. For EDM, I don't know, for plastic molds, I think. And he's still got a Mitutoyo 1-inch mic here and a couple extra mics, and this one here is for checking roundness. He's got the weights that are accurately calibrated, I believe, and some drafting stuff here. And there's this giant reamer. And it's really a large one. Oh, over 2 inches, I think. And he's got a Bosch trim router. Take $100 offer on that. It's brand new. I have one of these. You can attach these to machines. They're really pretty nice for grinding and things if you want to. This is a Volkswagen jack. And I don't think I've ever seen one before. But it's pretty neat. Just thinking 75 on that. Got these screws out of a mill that got knocked over. The screws are real good. There's a dividing plate here, 24 position, with a heavy latch. You can make a divider for a heavy tool like a shaper or something, I was thinking. And you got the Holdridge there, got $400 offer on that. And things are narrowing down. They got a sealer there that seals plastic bags. That's a pretty nice unit. He's got 45 on that, 125 on a drill doctor. I don't know what he wants for those. Looks like Morse Taper 2 and Morse Taper 3 bits there. Got some new end mills. And then he's got the regular end mills here, $2 a piece. And he's sent quite a few out. Got a couple of Albrecht, one's a Albrecht and one's a Jacobs, which I think is the same thing. The silver one is a 1/2 inch and the black one is a 3/8. That unit there for $20 is a vice stop. So we'll just kind of look over. Got special cutters here for $20, and or offer, make an offer on this stuff. And the old collet box here. And just just some odds and ends. And we'll get over here to the publications. A lot of these are being sent out. Boston Gear, induction heating, digital troubleshooting. I need that one. Build your own metalworking shop from scrap. Melting and casting aluminum. And we have advanced pattern making. That's pretty cool. Machining Alcoa aluminum. You know, they cut a lot of aluminum around here. They really do. Measuring ideas. This is a Raw Mike's Toolorama. I think they're still there. I'm not sure. Lathe design, construction, injection molds. This one is more injection molding. What is a mold? Mold man. Mold making. And computer numerical control. Machine tools of 1885. That's pretty cool. I think that's a Lindsay. Wire EDM. Shop methods. Somebody got the old Starrett catalog. No, it's still there. 1938 Starrett catalog. And just all kinds of stuff. The Brown and Sharp handbook. Practical ideas in machining tool making 1905. I think that one's really cool. Procedures in experimental physics. Turning technology. And basics of fractional horsepower motors. That's pretty cool. Hayden books. He keeps sticking some new stuff out here. I think it's pretty interesting. Semiconductor reference guide. They still got the home shop machinist. There's an EDM course there and more on injection moldings. Now over here is a 3D printer. And it seems like he wanted $600 for it. He's made quite a few parts with it, and he's got several spools of wire that I think he said he'd like to get $12 each. So that's what that is. And he's still got a horizontal saw here he wants to sell. But other than that, kind of narrowing it down to these plastic machines. We're gonna sell the support equipment, then the plastic machinery, plastic molding. Whoever put money down on that CNC mill there is Sharp with the Accurate conversion on it. It has not been back. Put some money on it, so we don't know what's going to happen there. Okay. Well, thanks for tuning in, and I'll load this and give Rob a call if you see anything, and I'll be back with more exciting tips. You all have a good evening.